Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I will show you how to verify your YouTube account without phone number. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the YouTube application or the YouTube channel on your desktop. Once you open it, click on your profile picture on the top right side, then go and click on YouTube Studio. Once you go to YouTube Studio, go and click on Settings. Then now you should click on Channel, then go to Feature Eligibility and go and click on Intermediate Features. Go and click on this arrow, then go and click on verify phone number. It will take you to this page. Now, let's say that you do not actually want to use your own phone number. Simply search here for freephone.io. So now here, as you can see, I have opened freephone.io. Now you should go and select the country that you need a phone number from. Then once you open it here, you can see multiple phone numbers. Simply click on the one that has the online icon. Click on check inbox. And once you click on inbox, you can simply now copy the phone number. And now you can select your country. So go select the same country that you have actually chosen before. So now I'm going to click on United States. Then here you should paste the number that you have copied, then click on next, and you're all done. Now, if this method was very helpful to you, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.